Human physiology limit. I am going to discuss today human physiology limits and how humans react in different conditions, different areas of the world when we're going to visit. First condition is very extreme environment. A robust definition of extreme environment is difficult to frame, but it always depends upon the object, the person exposed to that environment, and the subject of study. Most because every person does not react the same way as it is. Most definitions with respect to human study and biology incorporate the requirements of either physiological adaptation or technological innovation in order to survive. Because when we go in that area, which is always colder in the whole year, so the extreme temperature of that country, of that city, does not bear able. We can do this just only with the help of medical and our physiological limits over different things. For example, a young person and an old person go in that extreme environment. The physiology limits of that young person is much more than that old person. The old person became ill. There is a lot of chances of that old person to become ill, but in some cases there is an opposite situation, so we have to do some medical prescriptions, visit some professionals of the medicals. The next condition is simple stress. That is not need to go in the outer city, outer colder extreme environment. Simple stress means change in environment where there must be a risk of illness exposed to individual in order to justify the requirements of adaptation and innovation in order to survive. For example, when our season got changes from summer to winter, the middle area of that is in that risk of illness. In this situation, the food we eat in one season help us in our next season. For example, we eat mangoes in our summer season. They help us in winter season to keep our body warm in that winter season, and the winter must be bearable to that limit of our physiology. So we have to follow all advices of the professional, and we have to take some precautions to do this. So the risk of illness must be eradicated, must be rooted out because of our different natures. It is possible just due to our concern and attention to its